Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your primary button to your secondary button and your secondary button to your primary button in your mouse. So, in case your mouse has a weak primary button because you have used it too much and you want to change it to the secondary buttons because the secondary button is not as used, and therefore you can use it without those double clicking issues and any other issue that you might have. This is the video for you because today I'm going to show you how to do it. So to do that, you have to search bar and type mouse, and you should have the mouse settings right there. Click on this, and then you should go to additional mouse options here. You should have the window open up right before your eyes, and you should have button configuration, and under that you have an option to switch primary and secondary buttons. So check this option, and then you should have your primary and secondary buttons switched. Now your brain will be a little bit weirded out because now you have to use the right button as your main button. Okay, so let's do that, and I have to click my right button here and click right here. So that's how you can use your primary button as a secondary button and a secondary button as your primary button. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.